Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that euro dollar currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that euro dollar is long-term bearish market, and we could see that after a pullback we can expect further drop in this market. As you can see on the monthly, there is a long wick candle in that area. Now this is the monthly long wick candle that has been rejected from this monthly important support, which is turning resistance here. And from that zone previous months, we have seen that euro dollar has formed this long bearish candle. We have seen that this month so far initially has gone up for a deeper pullback, and from that zone euro dollar started to drop, and we can expect for this price to continue to drop to create a new lower low. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, we see that euro dollar maintaining a long term downtrending market structure. With this weekly impulse, the price has created this move followed by this correction. We have seen another move followed by a deeper correction with a long week pin bar on the weekly. Euro dollar has broken this support level. This week so far, we have seen that initially the price has tested this important support level here as a resistance, and we have seen initial drop. What I think that as we see that this price has opened with a gap on the weekly, we could see that another attempt from the buyers to break this weekly high before dropping down from the weekly perspective. If we look at the daily time frame, we see that from the daily previous day, euro dollar has formed a bearish candle on the daily, which is an inside bar in between this previous day's doji, and it's maintaining this support and resistance. And what we see that today so far, initially the price has gone to this price station, and from that zone we have seen initial drop. As we see that from the daily perspective, the price is maintaining still a series of higher low in this bullish channel. We can expect euro dollar to retest this level and to have a bounce to the upside, as still we see that there is an imbalance in that zone, and there is a high liquidity in that area along with the daily 20 ma and along with this narrow daily candle. Now looking at the further lower time frame to see where is the opportunity for trading, as you can see this is the daily sup- support level that also maintaining a support on the 4 hour time frame, which maintaining a bullish channel. If we draw this channel, we can see that euro dollar currently maintaining this channel where we see this drop has gone back to the resistance zone, has come back to the support again, and we see that the market now approaching this support. As news coming later today, what I think that euro dollar after testing this level, we could see a series of higher low, as this is the daily low, and from that zone we can expect an upside bounce on euro dollar. As we see that there is an imbalance here, this is the swing high, and also there is a fair value gap in that zone, which is a very high liquidity area. And you see this channel is still maintaining. What I think that as we see that this bullish channel is still creating series of higher low, there is a high probability for this channel to break to the upside. With the two high impact news, we could see that euro dollar breaking this high and gathering liquidity from this fair value gap. And after a strong rejection, we can expect euro dollar to come back down and to continue towards its long term downtrending direction. That's how it will break the weekly high as well. And what I think that long term perspective, once we see that euro dollar has gathered liquidity from here dropping to that zone, we could see maintaining another retest of this support as a resistance, and we could see euro dollar dropping down to the monthly support level, and we could see a semi circular structure along the zone for this long term drop. And at the end of the week we could see that there is a bearish doji or bearish candle, which could keep euro dollar for further probability to drop. So with that being said, this is where our eye will be. As you can see, it's still maintaining series of higher low. If we see that from that support level, strong rejection for this potential move to the upside, we will consider going long from this level on euro dollar. On the other hand, if we see euro dollar has broken that completely downside, we will be observing. If we see suitable entry, we will go long, and along this zone, after liquidity trigger, if the price is doing exactly according to the plan, we will consider going short from that zone for this long term downside movement on euro dollar with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.